three words that describe me: sincere, compassionate, and caring. And why? I think a lifetime in this industry gives you an appreciation of life. And on my own, I'm nothing, but with people that support me, I'm everything. I've been inner-driven my entire life. I like quality. I like service. I appreciate the small things, the little details. And I think when you commit to the details, you can achieve so much, because then the larger things will happen. But without the details and the small things, it's impossible to create magic. At a very early age, I was told that water was very lucky for me. And every single position I held, apart from actually the Waldorf Astoria in Beverly Hills, because I came from there, everywhere has been by water, whether it be by ocean or by a lake or some water. And I really feel that is an important part of the elements that I need to be successful. And who would not appreciate being in this wonderful location of Viceroy Los Cabos? So I'm very passionate, and that's how I communicate in a very clear way. I've had many people work for me in Cabo several times, and many people I know in the industry. So I don't copy anybody else. I really do what I feel is natural for me to be a good leader. And my door is always open for clear communication. We support each other. And so in a hotel, you need every department to be together, cohesive together. We can't work individually. So we have to really work very closely, especially when you're running an operation at this level. Excellence can be from a small detail. Once you get the details right, then the overall experience creates excellence. But it's really being individual, creative, doing something at the time when it's really going to create the most impact, and doing it in a sincere way. When you walk into a luxury hotel and you feel there's an overall energy, but you can't quite understand why that energy is happening, it's because everything is working in harmony. And then you feel, wow, this is a very special place. And that's what I consider excellence. It's not forced on you, but it's something that you can just feel in the air. I feel that I'm here at the right place at the right time. Our company is fresh, it's innovative, they allow people to be creative, and I'm so happy to come back to the region, but also be located in San Jose. And I work very closely with the local artists. We're actually going to have an art studio here, and we painted at the entry of the hotel the Tree of Life, which is a piece of art that is going to be work in progress for the next 12 months. And when the artists come back and they return after the virus, so they're coming back to Baja, they will be invited to come and paint on the Tree of Life. My name is Peter Bowling. I'm the Regional Managing Director of Viceroy Los Cabos. It's a pleasure to be in my position. We look forward to welcoming the local community to enjoy our spa, our restaurants. We have a wonderful rooftop restaurant, the Silmar. We have a wonderful daytime restaurant, Casero, and our beautiful El Nido, the wonderful nest-like structure located in our water area. So we look forward to seeing you all soon, and we will make sure that you have a wonderful experience. Thank you to Tenency Magazine for inviting me for this interview. Thank you. Bye.